This is your 1-minute coder news from the voice of custom coding. Product Finishing has announced the opening of its 2021 Top Shops benchmarking survey as of January 1st. The benchmarking program will include a new sourcing platform that will allow survey values to be compared to a larger cumulative database of results, expanding the benefits of participation. The goal is not only to make Top Shop's program more robust, but to ensure relevance and make results actionable for participants. However, if you want your shop to be considered for the Top Shop's profile article announcement later this year, you must submit your completed survey by April 30th, 2021. The survey for liquid powder and electrocoding is available at pftopshops.com. And that's been your 1-minute coder news. See you next time.